so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to be here. And today's video is special because this is a collaboration with my friend Maitrayee. She's awesome. I met her virtually via our YouTube channels. I loved her videos and that time I was making skincare and beauty content, so we got along together. Thought about making this video like pharma mystery box where she would send me skincare stuff that I won't know what she is sending, and I did the same for her. So the video is going to be up on her channel as well, and don't miss out her channel because she is amazing, she is beautiful, she is kind, she is intelligent, and she makes really good contents. I love her so much. So about this one, I'm really curious what she sent me. Let me open this. Maitrayee, I hope I meet you soon. I know her for more than 2 years, but we never met, we never did. We planned, but we couldn't yet, but someday we will. And she has always been so kind, so sweet to me. We don't call like every day, but when we do, we talk for hours. This is the friendship we have, Alright. I really wanted to try this. This is Eczederm. I heard a lot about this product but never could try it, so thank you so much for sending it to me. This is Eczederm cream 10%, and this is very famous because it is so affordable. The ingredients are no nonsense. It works for, like they claim that it works for breakouts, pigmentation, like whatever azelaic acid does. And yeah, I really wanted to try it, but I don't know why didn't I buy this before. So this is the thing. Thank you Maitrayee for sending it to me. I think I'm gonna like it. Alright, very good pick. So then I have next thing, the Demilan cream, and I think I have sent something similar to this to her as well. This is glycolic acid arbutin kojic acid cream, and I have to tell you this, me and Maitrayee, we both are fans of exfoliants, then glow giving actives, and I think this can be a multitasking cream. Good pick Maitrayee, thank you for sending it to me. Okay, let me see the tube. She picked everything so thoughtfully. Oh, this is the thing. Nice. Next I have Sansling cleanser. Maitrayee, I always wanted to try these things. Thank you so much. I really wanted to buy this as well, but I don't know why I didn't buy, because this is a very famous salicylic acid based cleanser that works well. I heard a lot about this product. I always wanted to try it, but again didn't buy. I don't know why, but my friend, she has kindly sent it to me and I'm so happy that she did. Now I'm getting like complex about my choices, the things I sent to her, because I sent her most of the new things, because I wanted her to experiment with new pharma skincare, so I didn't send like something popular, like those are like kind of new things. And now I'm thinking, my god, she has sent me all the popular things and all the beautiful things and the things I've sent to her. I hope she likes those things. This is the cleanser. This is super affordable salicylic acid cleanser. If you have breakouts, then blackheads, it's 2% salicylic acid. Lastly, I have this Aquasoft FC with sun protection. This is a moisturizer with sunscreen, and it also has vitamin E. The ingredients look really interesting, and the brand says it's gonna make your skin soft, velvety, and it's gonna give you moisturization, it's gonna improve your skin's radiance, and yeah, it has skin friendly pH. Great pick. Let me see the texture of this moisturizer. I have never tried this moisturizer. I have tried many moisturizers, but I have not tried. So this is the moisturizer. Ooh, the texture is nice. Not too light, not too thick. It is absorbing quite well. It has fragrance, but not overwhelming. It also feels cooling in a good way. So yeah, this was my mystery pharma skincare box. If you want to watch more videos like this, let me know what you want us to do. And thank you Maitrayee for everything. You are a very good friend, and I hope I see you soon in person. And I'm so happy that I have you in my life, and I love you so much. Also, you, my YouTube family, I love you and thank you so much for being there. And I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.